So here we have my program, and if I go ahead and click on the rock, it says you chose rock. I'm going to run it again. I'm going to click on paper. It says you chose paper. I'm going to run it again, and if I click on scissor, it says you chose scissor. Right? But this program is a little bit of a problem because if I click on multiple buttons, I get overlap. Okay? And the reason why I get overlap is because I wrote you chose rock using the turtle if they clicked on the button, right? Of course. And I wrote you chose paper if they clicked on the paper button. And I wrote you chose scissor if they click on the scissor button. And this branch statement here is run every time I click onto the screen. So every time I click on the screen, it's writing again and again and again and again. Right? So what I want to do to fix this problem is to clear what the turtle wrote. And we could do that this way. You could say time.sleep for like 1 second. And then you could say t.clear like that. Right? And if I run it, then I click, and after 1 second it disappears, and then I click again, and after a second it disappears, and I can click again. Right? But this is still problematic because if I click on multiple buttons very quickly, then it will still have overlap before they disappear. Okay? So what I really want to do, I don't want to do it this way, right? What I really want to do is I want to, like every time they click, I want to clear what the turtle wrote before it does this. Right? So if the turtle wrote you chose rock the last click, then I want to clear that you chose rock when they click again to choose paper. Right? And then it says you chose paper, and I click again. I want to clear what the turtle wrote before, and I want to write you chose scissors, right? Because I clicked on the scissor button. We can't do it the way that our program is set up currently, right? And why not? Because the turtle is local, and every time you click, a new turtle, a new local turtle is created, and that new local turtle writes on the screen. When this branch ends, that's the end of the click function, which means this local turtle no longer exists. So that turtle that wrote you chose rock doesn't exist anymore. So we cannot do a turtle.clear that will undo or unwrite on the screen, right? The way that we have this set up right now, we're creating a new turtle, and then we're clearing what he wrote. But he didn't write anything yet, right? From line 22 to 23, the turtle didn't write anything. So this does nothing. Now, how can we make it so that it does what we want it to do? Well, what we can do is we can get this turtle and make him global. Okay? Then we can add that global turtle to our list of global variables, and then we could do a t.clear in the very beginning. Now, let's go ahead and pretend like we're running the program, and we go ahead and click on the rock button. It's going to t.clear, but we haven't written anything on the screen yet, like right here. Right? We haven't written anything on the screen down here yet. So when I click paper or rock, it's going to t.clear, but it's going to clear nothing. Then this is going to be true, and it's going to write you chose rock. Okay? And then when I go ahead and click again, it's going to run the click function, and it's going to clear the you chose rock. And it's going to now write you chose paper because I clicked on the paper button this time. Okay? So now it's doing what we wanted to do. And so let's go ahead and prove that to be true. I click on rock, you chose rock. Click on paper, you chose paper. Click on scissors, you chose scissors, and so on. Right? And why is this working? Because now we are clearing what the turtle wrote before we write a new message. So you might want to go ahead and incorporate that so you don't have overlap in your program, and we'll talk about the next task in the challenge exercise.